Kristen, what do you have on?
Tell her.
Pants.
No, what do you have on right
Pants.
What is it?
Pants.
now? Look, pants, man, they're called what?
Underoos?
No, a tree.
Train?
Tree.
Look at me. Do you want to see this video that we're playing? Huh?
Yeah.
Alright, tell me what you have on and you can see it right here. Here. What are they called?
Cheese.
Cheese.
Did you say your bedroom?
Yeah, saying cheese. What do you have on? I'll turn my flashlight on so you can tell me. What are those called that you got? They're new.
Underwear.
And what did you call them? What does Mikey have on?
Sweatpants.
No, what does he have on? What do men wear under their shorts?
No tail. No tail. I got a haircut today. Haircut, no tail.
Don't tell me in my eyes.
Nice. Well done for James. 1866.
They have Boskers on.
If you're over 18,
Boskers?
No, Boskers.
Oh, okay.
you can also vote online this year.